In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your FreshBooks password. If you've forgotten your FreshBooks password or just need to update it for security, here's a clear and simple walkthrough to get you back into your account quickly and safely. We'll go step by step, and I'll share helpful tips along the way. First, head to the FreshBooks login page. You can get there by typing FreshBooks login into your browser and choosing the official site, or by using your bookmark if you have one saved. On the login screen, look for the link that says "Forgot your password." It's usually right under the email and password fields. Click that link to start the reset process. Next, you'll see a field asking for your email address. Enter the email associated with your FreshBooks account exactly as you registered it, including any dots or plus signs if you use them. Then click the button that says Send Reset Link. FreshBooks will send a secure email to that address with a link to reset your password. Now, open your email inbox. The message may take a minute to arrive. If you don't see it, check your spam, junk, or promotions folders, and consider searching your inbox for FreshBooks or password. When you find the email, make sure it's from the official FreshBooks domain before proceeding. Click the reset link in the email. That link will open a secure page in your browser where you can create a new password. If the link doesn't open, copy and paste it into your browser's address bar. Keep in mind that reset links can expire, so use it as soon as you can. On the reset page, enter your new password. Choose something strong and unique. Aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using passwords you've used on other sites. A longer passphrase can be both secure and easier to remember. Type it carefully to avoid typos. When you're ready, click the button labeled Save or Reset Password, depending on what you see. You should get a confirmation that your password has been updated successfully. That's it. Your password is now updated, and you can log into FreshBooks again using your email and your new password. If your browser or device had your old password saved, remember to update it there so you don't run into login errors later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you reset your FreshBooks password with confidence.